Greetings from Snake Mountain Boat Works on Friday, November 2, 2018. This is an update on Flyin By. Flyin By? Update? Thought she was finished long ago. She won the 2017 Lake Champlain ACBS Best of Show Award. That's all true. What is also true is that she now has a new steward, and the new owners requested that we replace her original traditional bottom with a 5200 bottom. They plan to dry sail her and want to be relieved of the obligation to soak her up each time they put her in the water. It's also the case that ACBS has decided and ruled that installing a no leak bottom, a true 5200 bottom, will not deduct from the boat's score, because doing so is a safety item. Many of these ancient bottoms, not this one, this bottom is absolutely sound, are not absolutely sound. And installing a 5200 bottom is actually a major step towards safety. But every day is a learning process, right? And this one is a huge learning process. We have been using the circa 1850 paint and varnish remover, the heavy body paint and varnish remover. And as you can see, it does an excellent job of liquefying the floor coat of hard racing bronze. Bottom paint remover, that's not a problem. It just comes right off under the assault of the circa 1850 and my sandwich scraper. Such a beautiful thing. But you notice you don't see wood beneath. No. What you see is Interlux 2000E barrier coat. 5 coats thereof, so that we can build up the appropriate film thickness. Well, guess what? This is a 2-part paint. It is epoxy-like, and it is giving us huge challenges because, well, for example, this stripper has been sitting here now for an hour. On this side where I did get down to bare wood, took 3 applications and about 3 hours of soak time in between each to get down to the wood. But what you will see is that the stripper is starting to work. But what you have to be sure to take care of that you don't gouge the planks. So this is going to take some work. But unlike those who secure things with 3M 5200 and then try to get them apart only to be forced to bring out the circular saw and cut them free, we can get this to release. And it is going to take hours and hours, but I will get this down to bare wood. We had caulked these seams with Interlux. You can possibly see the sort of red lead color. This is Interlux seam compound for below water applications. It allows the wood in a traditional bottom to expand and contract without compressing the wood. Put 5200 in here, and what you do is risk damaging every bottom plank, because the 5200, when cured, will not compress any longer. It pretty much loses its elasticity. And as the wood gets wet and expands, the 5200 cannot contract to take up the expansion. So the result is the fibers in the wood, the planks, get compressed and split and open up and fail. So I'll keep scraping. We've got a long way to go, but this is the first step in applying a true 5200 bottom. And I'm guessing I probably won't have to go to the gym today. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boat Works.